Would you make your keyboard sound like this to sounding like this for only $3? This here is the Epamaker Skyloon GK87S, and for a $90 board, it actually has a lot going for it. Sound out of the box isn't too bad, but today we're going to try a $3 mod in order to make a more thockier sound. So to start, we have to take the board here and get to the bottom of the PCB. Alright, so now that we have the back of the PCB exposed and whatnot, we can take our $3 mod, masking tape, or painter's tape as some people might call it. It's not a super adhesive tape, but that's exactly what we want, so we don't get a whole bunch of goo on the back of our PCB. And we're going to apply it to the back, about 3 layers worth, and that is going to get us a better sound. Alright, so now that the 3 layers of tape are on the back of the PCB, that's really all we need to do for this mod. So super easy, super simple. All we have to do now is put the case back on the bottom. Alright, so now the keyboard is back together, back in place, so let's do the modded sound test. So, as you can hear, at least to me, it sounds a lot deeper, even after doing just such a simple mod. And yes, the mod is really that simple and that cheap. But hey, this might be the cheapest mod you can do to your keyboard, but say you're looking to get into mechanical keyboards as a whole. Well, lucky for you, we have a video about that you can watch here. See you next time.